Hello, my name is Nir, and I have a multifaceted professional experience ranging from sales, seafaring, and technical support. I have a knack for making complex tasks simpler, and I'm really excited to assist and make a significant contribution to you and your team. I am a visual and hands on learner, which means I grasp concepts best when I see and do things. I utilize theory to the best of my abilities, but nothing beats the lessons that you get from the actual experience. I recently learned about Fathom. It's a note taking app that we can utilize to take notes for us during meetings. It is AI driven, and basically, what it does is it takes notes for you, and right after the meeting, it sends you a transcription of the meeting, which you can then check for a review. When I am overwhelmed with tasks, I break them down into smaller steps and assign priority levels for each step. I then tackle these tasks one by one to regain control and manage my time more efficiently. During my seafaring days, I implemented this strict routine for crew training with regards to safety. I was assigned as the junior third officer, and basically, what I implemented is this weekly training about the use of life jackets and lifeboats. This in turn boosted the confidence of the crew with regards to safety during long voyages. Thank you so much for taking the time to get to know me, and I'm really excited to get to know you as well. I'm really looking forward to working with you in the future.